Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and tap to settings button so we can open them. And here we have to slide a little bit to general settings category. Now at the second place we have save location info option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet. For example, the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a picture. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how my photo looks like. Let's tap to center so we can get access to gallery options. Now we have to go to right corner button at the bottom, and here let's tap to details. Now at the last place we have location with full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. And also when we pick this, we can get quick access to Google Maps to check our location at map. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.